Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Asrul Raifuddin bin Alauddin, and what I'm holding right here is what I'm going to present to you, to the viewers. And what I'm holding here is a piece of corrugated cardboard that has been cut so that I can show you the components on it. Before I start my presentation, I want to show you the slides that I will be presenting, which is the introduction, raw materials, and finally the manufacturing process. Here you can look at this manufacturing process. Alright, firstly, the corrugated cardboard was first patented and used as a shipping material on 20 December 1857, and it was first used as a packaging for pottery, containers, and packaging glass. This corrugated cardboard is made up of basically it is made of 3 layers. Okay, as I previously stated, the corrugated cardboard are made from 3 different components, which is firstly it's the liner here, the upper part. So the second one is this line. You see, this is straight line. It's an intermediate liner, and the wave-like shape here is called the flutes. Okay, for the flutes here, there are many different types of flutes, which is A flutes, B flutes, C flutes, E flutes, and F flutes. Each flutes have different thickness, and what I'm holding right now is the B flutes, which has the thickness of 3.2 millimeter. Okay, since each type of flutes have different thickness, so you have the different type of function. What I'm holding right now, the B flute, which has the thickness of 3.2 millimeter, is suitable for carrying canned goods. And what you're seeing here is a Sea Master product, which is the drinking products, which is also similar to canned goods, and so it is suitable for carrying the bottles. So why we use the corrugated cardboard? There are many advantages to using the corrugated cardboards. Firstly, it is strong. Secondly, is recyclable, and the third is it is a great marketing tool. So we continue. Just there are advantages to corrugated cardboard. There are also disadvantages for the cardboard. So one of the advantage of the cardboard is it might get deformed under extreme pressure, meaning that if we put some pressure on it, extreme pressure on it, it might get deformed like this, was bent and cannot go back to its normal shape. Okay, we continue with the next slides, which is the raw materials. So the most crucial material for pulp product is fiber. There are 2 types of fiber, which is short fiber and long fiber. So the short fiber is made from the hardwood, and the example of the hardwood is white birch and aspen. The function of the short fiber is to support weight and give strength to the cardboard. So the application for the short fiber is the flute here. The flute is made from the short fiber from hardwood. So the second fiber, which is long fiber, is made from the softwood. An example of species for the making of long fiber is spruce, pine, fir, and larch. And the reason why we use long fiber is because the function of it is printability, opacity, and softness. So the reason why they can print some writing here is because of this long fiber. Is also provide softness. This is soft and strong cardboard. So the application for the long fiber is the liner here. So basically liner is made from the long fiber, and the flutes here, they shape like the wave-like shape is made from the short fiber. Okay, we continue with the next slides, which is the manufacturing process. So there are 4 steps to manufacture the cardboard. Okay, firstly, we must the first step is pulping the 3 chips. As I said earlier, the most crucial material for pulp product is the fiber. So the fiber is obtained from cooking it in a solution of sodium hydroxide or NaO and sodium sulfide Na2S. So how do we get the fiber is we cook the 3 chips in those 2 solutions. So the second step for the manufacturing process is the making of craft paper. For making of craft paper, wood pulp is pumped into paper making machine called the Fordrinier machine to obtain the liner here. So the liner is made from the craft paper. Okay, we continue with the next slides, which is also the step number 3 for manufacturing process of corrugated cardboard. So the third step for manufacturing process is corrugating the cardboard. What does it mean for corrugating the cardboard? There are 3 stages to corrugate the cardboard, which is corrugating the flutes and gluing to a single liner. Meaning that the flutes here was glued to the liner here with cornstarch glue. So the second stage is gluing the outside liner to make a rigid board. Okay, the next stage is cutting the board to desired size. So this is one of this is after I cut some part of it to show the viewers of the corrugated cardboard. We continue with our final step for manufacturing process, which is forming the blank into the box. When I watch a video, what does it mean for forming the blank into a box? They show that we put it in a slither scorer, trims the cardboard. The slither scorer trims the cardboard and cut it into large sheets called box blanks. They roll into a slit scorer and trim these 2 parts here, so that it can be a great shapes for it. So the box blanks pop out of the slither scorer and slide into an automatic stacker and load them onto a large rolling platform. So the steps that I explained before is a step for small production. So for mass production, there are many other steps that needs to be taken care of, such as using computer and printing the writing here like this one. So what I explained earlier is just a simple explanation on how to manufacture the corrugated cardboard. Okay, as a conclusion, my first thought for the corrugated cardboard is I thought it was a simple product, but as I watched some videos on it and some explanation on it, is a very complicated product to make, and my opinion on it has 180 degrees change after all those research. And thank you for listening to my video, and thank you, and assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.